go poor for 10 years, name your pan where ya was when we are here contra walking the bang when we not for half woman. I go remember me no sense in your book about where the TikTok in now. Eh, damn, because if I born on la wife, they will be me. Or too much, be immediate 24 hours, better than the army. Only some way at home, only a care over the bear to yo. You have not that right to tell people, say, connect with your real account, need dig away. For what? When you not let me hear what for Facebook, who back your Facebook in there with Monica, Unarie, TikTok, what are Becky? Allow people to give their opinion. You guys should start locking them up. Meanwhile, now say people, now because of me, everybody enter fake account. Now Monica use fake account. My people at where they window, I bet more not testify. Have you ever, since the day me and Lolekia break, even before me and Lolekia break, if you want to say the truth, I don't carry people on my wall to bully them. I know they take people papa picture. I know they take people mama picture. Say you commit, he push you with him. I'm not touch you. If I want beat person, I beat presenter. I know they pursue a commenter. Yes, I do to commenter. Yeah, me where I don't need you here. My lover say block and block and I'll block you. More than touch you now. Don't see where person comment for me. I will demand Monica Rigbena. You can see I carry here. That carry your husband. I can't rest in peace. Say because he comment for me. Why am you here?
Wabota, my honorable, my dagger who were there.
Where's
My word,
My word.
Unyi me dan fi obo yo no e o emi nu wen ga we e wo bi wa we emi nu wen we e ga condemn me because me Facebook e me tamu wa no mind like 8 years ago. Now this woman now make my lovers go they open fake accounts.
You are very correct.
Yes. The fake account kon kukuma was when me and Lolekia kon kukuma divide. When that one constantly they practice such things.
It was terrible. It was terrible.
As people they give me star, people they give me gift. Now so that they give them, now don't see me go kon waka. I'll say this one are your mommy to bear. What
Lie.
Moto na fake. Yours man no good.
Everything I fake, the life you are fakey.
Yeah, people. Pikin no be born. Monica na So when I come the pass for TikTok, I can see say this woman and husband, they don't become Igbinazaka. If you just come, I don't go in profile. Even that when I come, they le kwa bunu. Mais j'ai pas fait non, bada vraiment manger. On sait non mana moi picho jo. Ija qui est on do pas le la famille. Picho dans mo se. Ai le do wa. Voilà. Est-ce nous est-ce nous il va y la bon. Est-ce nous
Only
comment. Who might take
a we Sonia, me tell my only we good, only we do reply beg.
Oh, DJ reply no. Listen to the character. No, it's not allowed. On in TikTok, a man comment, a man gonjo yen we no man ne eri account nega gonjo. No man we picture jo yen kwe no gonjo why?
Why?
And then we tell me we are not telling come and see my house is not clean, is clean. We are mami on ogwa wedo. Ugbe mugu mwenere. Ama mosto gwayonia. Adu we udu we pana wa hetoma. Eva nyando yi wa ge wo wa hetoma ni is a lie. And at the same time, everybody cannot be a presenter for them to be able to speak their mind. Some of them are going to speak their mind through comment section. Why some of them are going to speak their mind through this their own profile.
That's it.
I want to say TikTok in that one domain where we have no picture. For what?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Ekini have do Facebook, you have more idea.
No, it's not possible. Why where the kitchen of TikTok is too hot, you get up. Since when they come TikTok, the kind of job where some people don't use voice, give me. My people more than touch, una not there yet. Una go even they tell me, get moderator. I say no, I don't need it. Yes, it disturb us for 3 minutes. Me don't die. Me we go there, yeah, person go enter my this thing. They tell me nonsense. It's part of the game. If you cannot, you enter house. Don't try it. What that from where must say? Don't try it. Anytime you carry people matter. If you want make nobody they enter on a window. Because I on TikTok, so I know they invite anybody. Now TikTok go they bring people enter. Now the game of TikTok be that. That is the way. If I come they talk, waiting not correspond to another person, then he decide to talk another thing. Waiting that they do one, remove one. All of them get moderator. They no give it. He have a profile again. Any picture. Your picture you make it down, man. So when I be rest the piece, you get you be rest the piece. You go where you want me TikTok here wadoge. I go wavere me where none is son of Guabonje. When none I mean your partner will pour where. So come on, who hate to win it, ya hate say. A TikTok you want to hear a dead zone. Babana. For what now? Thank you for the gift. At the end of the day, go come, you go say, TikTok. TikTok, you mama, to mommy no challenge where they no sense in do. Stop it. If you know, say you carry person matter, TikTok must carry the enter and they must give you woto. If you don't like the woto, remove them, block them as TikTok they do one. Don't bully commenters. I am warning you now. Anybody enter your window to talk, una mwe picture una bully ya. Emi ni awe u believe. Oh, when ata me gwe me. Il a vient d'être nuka ou Facebook we gbe wo ya na kolokun na lawa e Monica na yaro ijije. Nou ya hen. Nou ka dove Facebook. Be nou do esse, doma non give up. I me yere ni menje. E ni on mwi me refonde one. Is marital issue e yeje. I mwi non waro pa mamu me rebetu wa la wonda I gbu e be fi we fo e be continue. So, last warning, don't do it. You have no that right. Because since when you enter the TikTok, now so trouble. Now so trouble now. If you not fight with this, you are fighting with it. You are criticizing women where sit down their own. Which one thing you don't carry for that TikTok? Now many women they TikTok, they be hook up. They hook up people. That's what they do. Many people they TikTok, they be tradition men. That is their program they do. They know they change them. They know they use and look for view or attention. Tell me since where you and your husband they there. Tell me one thing. Go and use TikTok they do. People even take TikTok. They use and do market affiliation. You not feel use them for anything positive. Mame matter come. You say, mame give Monica a big where Monica safe. And Monica. Oh, where we met it, or when na where? When in where we were. When in where you go where we are. Omo kwe kana no salobo abe jano ma ona be yigo de. Umenti ya kipe gwe busy. E want de 6. E want de 5. E want mwe 4. Umenti ya kipe gwe busy. Uni mi nuwo wa now. Uni mi nuwo wa. Wani mi nuwo wa. Iwi no mame be muwe dedegbe. Because someone can wear kind marriage or get. The thing he come outside, everybody talking, I rest. So you be one, make I sit down. Me and they talking every day. Now you tell no say, I fight for and win. What I want win for? Now social media that they look for win. Many of you now when they talk, matter when not they finish. You are under ogogoro influence. You are under mental health, but you are not there. Acceptance. You are under depression because many things will not like for abroad. You know they should not hand. Then you are under influence of juju. Then family upbringing. I'm not bringing where up he say, and you know go school. So how person obtain the win such person? Where basically even if they explain something to you, you don't get it. So why will I be trying to win you? Win you for what? When you don't even know the time of your own life. You don't know the meaning of your own time. You don't know what it means to sit down repeatedly, be bullying another man's wife because of divorce. For what? I mean, now when man say, whoever or what we stay, there is evidence. Say the man and your husband. Because not be only a mom boy don't marry and divorce. Eh? Proof there everywhere. You don't fair follow Ibo. The minamie wa ya end up here. Bebo. Ove jegan. Ove jegan yebebo. Eh? Another black woman. What happen? I want mo why? Eh? What happen? Other one way don't carry. What happen? One of una way go they hide they fuck am. E good. What said the woman amu? There is proof. Say the man. He said he bear in one way or the other, whether you accept it or not. One way or the other is meaning he bear. Eh? Otherwise, the man supposed to know, say, you and your husband.
Mom, they come up.
Who are destroying you? Eh? If the man not be semi bear and matter, he's supposed to know say you are not fighting for him, you are destroying his name. Ah, gwanye dian, why va gwanye dian? Onjene nene why va wao. And then they will ya the bedroom and they will ya in the nana dege video ana dege me ya walk back. Oh, we change it. Ana muge Monica bena wo umemea. Ugbe when meje gweba o we no ye e gogoro influence ya love egbiyan. Ama wanyo ayenkene ayenge uwe no te guya e gi guya begeni. E kia ne kere geni oduari. I will not ban where my one ye. What and ye can't get it in me. And not be a man of 1 ye. And me on no. Yeah, where we know we are or looking. I am we can kind of we are here. I la lay ya. What's that? Or don't I not been away when Morgan away, Uma no where. Do we get been avoid what that from when I would baby go, but we all know it's on that kind influence. Neho, you not told it. EJ, where if not on that kind influence, as they don't fight for our side, their own terrible one. Eh? What that kind of woman go sit down, they give people say, I'm my girlfriend. What kind of fight is that? That's a gogoro kind of fight. Where Pikin said, come they cost mama, say you are too stupid. Eh? Stop it. Hey, with a better no man everywhere. Then he was saying nah. We get program, we don't rule for 10 years. Golden program for 10 years. Iwa mwe odon ame awa ta. Egi for why me gbe very oni me bi me there. Inwe kankan ya. Ne moma wala sade erere mo pa gin even no ya ladin e. E wani me mental problem. Erioji. Erere na ya think me we enough or wune. But to my school now, we can setting temporal frontal brain go or wune. Erere na ya a limit of something or wune. Erere na ya when something is too much, is different from erere no repeating. If you don't know, let me teach you. I went to school for it. That is why you see dementia people or meme people with mental problem. What do? They repeat things again and again. They don't know enough. Why? The brain that control the limit of everything where they make person responsible is dead. It's no longer working. Because of that, you see somebody will get mental problem, go they repeat something. You see person will get dementia, go they repeat something. Oh, that's what you are. But now, who believe? Because why you will not believe that something is wrong with your brain. Where you will carry one person matter on Facebook. What was your topic? You open Facebook from day one because of Monica. You end it with Monica. You enter us. You never do nothing else. You not do nothing else. Now on TikTok, what be your mom boni? Ou pokyen you wabe banan. And mom bona since last year or early this year, because I remember it was winter time. E son marena, ou me ye mu yoto. It be abi what yagi doing where this matter take consign you. Abi you want girlfriend man? You want girlfriend Africa man? No me la amunwe. Anje bejon. Iya wa we yan be yeke e shop yo be mo pe zeniyan. Ajo. Because if not be say you get interest for the matter, you for don't rest. The man make that matter no come out.
That lady, she not get sense. She herself, she go marry for that family. People wey get pikin, they not carry the matter for her the way you take carry her for her ge. Abe me gbe yo ni bagbon madam. Oh, na Moika be this. Carry on.
Na Moika. David no Moika. Igo say young bako. Chia. Abuzi no ba we go awo. Na beka kabolika take Facebook. No use fake account take sweaty talk. Because when we don't be member me fake account we me setting bien gbu we fake account TikTok he was setting. Igele gbu he was setting. Iwine bo ya hen we yeah. Monica see and everybody have freedom of speech on TikTok. When the presenter me writing, no ya mwene bo. Eru wa ya fe me right. No worry review na woto mighty take no block wa. Okay, rude ya mwe pishore u bo ye wo una mwe pisho marokba. Una mwe pisho marokba.
Area well, mama.
I'll finish in there.
Area
No,
well.
but I'm never mwe pisho ma watamane because making a set am yobo ni ya follow e be up.
Ohanga igwa me social media. Aya we ya mwe picture ma ria we. Nya va gba wo kokpa we video ni. Ohanga igwa aya ga chatting no ma. Wa gwa. Ya la wa when ya mwe picture we.
I look yawo, mama better. I look
They
yawo.
knock me I'm not even my
Not gonna rest at Italy o to. Ria iwe o.
me am resta d'Italie.
Eh, don't know. Ok, donc les France on est jevo.
Ria we o ya wa le ya.
Ria no no.
Wa ya mwe picture ra ha go gbera gbuju e.
Italie.
Abe Frank no.
Venu we wa la ona the next.
Okay, I'll be a Frankie no.
Ebe Frank comme Frank no.
E Frankie awa be mwe. Awa be gbagbo wa be ya mwe pisho ma.
Agwari egwo we we na gwa na wo panye wala o ya de o se
JKV gwa wa gwa o be ri asona mais dede on ye ya bien bibi marié nous. Ye Kevin gwa we gwa o. Ye Kevin gwa we gwa. Gwa we gwa ni me do fa o wa. Na do no we de mi no si e no na de mu keke. Gwa we gwa o. Gwa we gwa.
It's Jackie.
Gwa we
Which I
gwa. Ye Kevin. Mo boze maga yo beve vakbole maga ruae ima ona doa nowhere emieso ye kevi gwa we unyimeni is barbaric ene de frank ye bully ok bia wo se de Facebook igwe giro ona fe ko pa ya receive somo money na be me le TikTok okay, when I go and say TikTok, and then they go, why? Why are you guys like that? Why?
Ina gwa we ya wa retire wa to agwa me face we na ya agbera agbuju agino wa. O han ga igwa o han ga
Kaya we Frankie we gbe very o comment section ya we gbe very o.
Because me have that we me dey point baby very on it. They me wa with donation, me wa yan ninye but me dey point baby very on it. They shout.
o wa mani
Ya wo ge no.
Except me be one of guy was sunu in my
mo dane iya ya we
but
won ni ya we
that here wa me everybody wa be stay here o we pa we mi o wa be wa gogo man be interest is there. We stay here back here o we pa.
won ni ya we yaki ma be mi ni wa la na ga eri account mi wa ya reba maybe do to ma we even una mama amagba understand
Mama Grace, then I got to wear the make it the one day is a boo. Because a bullet you wear, ya wa dame obi so.
Hello, mommy. Okay, na brafrak you want only here when brafrak no dey do am. Mama, may you know they talk like gay. Brafrak no dey do am.
why you listen me I
Okay,
talking
more listening, more
You know they
listening.
do am, Mama. May you know they
Listen.
Wait, now me talk and track Tracy Trucks when mudia
Then you
day.
listen
Mama, darling, who will see Mama enjoy the topic. We woman na wa do. Oh, how I do
Mama no need to listen because e mani bugbon do sin ya wo ge no
Mama,
need
you
to
know they do
listen
am,
la
Mama.
je. La
Eh, mommy,
But
continue with
what get Grace it no me, get it no me.
wa bi mere ba bi meta iso de frankia
when no later.
okay
Eh,
won
weta.
ni ya we yaki a wa gota ma be mi ni wa la lafi we ban ni adota we egbe mi ni weta o ma je me o je meta mi ana o we mete wata for we lawo me the picture me
Oh, that is not good.
iya we ya we what's the na we
Come
you
up,
we mete ta for ya lawo me the picture me
come talking.
iya la the picture me oge ma ni
No,
wa gbere
that is
sisi
not good. Wala go but you get it up. We have to stop it because came now to the Facebook in waya soji wo wa. Dakina. Why
Mommy,
is
put
so
it
your
up,
you man to let it up no what do soe awa. Odu gani na ga u the Facebook. Oh waya ki ni mi meba. Eboni ka yo pop be we da wa ma mi mi u me. Why sis wa ma ka like why get so with TikTok ah ho get be man na no do ba gwa be ne TikTok get man le view ni me dan e va ni wa na so gwa be re agwa bu ni me dan ah wa se TikTok hu ni me dan no gbe nu wa ka afie je wa why and then no do ne programme saka ave mo ari TikTok except ni organize oge gbiyan eso le ba iwugwe eso kin mi wugwe eso na do our program I hook you up the rest of una not be waiting una dey do for Facebook eta connect ya kugbe na we una post this starter now
Oi Monica, good afternoon mama.
good
I
afternoon
beg mommy, I just might tell you your program we are the endurance please with our people, do you understand? Mommy Grace, since we did this TikTok, Frank not good. Nobody join Frank, no, but we know that one. But this thing where you talk, now like Frank not they do one Monica. No, or Frank not they do that thing. If before Frank bully you, not say you get what you do. You not say you get what you do. That's why I go carry your picture, go bully you. We are the looker. So
Thank
say
you,
maybe
Mama.
at the other with mommy Monica, so you can come to say mommy Monica thought they talk for you now. You can carry your picture for you. No, my sister. Frank not they do that kind of thing at all. Why would if you get any problem with
You
Frank,
can
you
know
go
why
face
you
am.
pick
Not
up
come let
on
mommy
your
Monica.
Frankie.
Not come
Okay,
change
then
them.
let
Come
me
push
no,
the talk for
Mama
you.
Grace
No,
mention Frank.
No, tell your Frankie.
Oh,
Tell your
wait, for
Frankie.
we so no see
When I reach
Italy.
there, oh,
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 no
oh,
represent
oh,
we no
oh,
Italy no
oh,
no be gwa e me na we Frank. Wa ge Frank for her.
You know, tell your Frankie.
I
What
dey call
Oh,
come
no
myself
so
Frank,
we
but
Frank,
I'm not
no so
the
we Frank. Since you want Italy de me no.
Frankie. Yeah, what
mommy
about
ask the mommy, Monica. I dey talk say na Frank. You go talk say not be Frank, or not be Frank. So the
Okay,
answer is
okay,
not be
no
Frank, not
leave
be
that
Frank.
one.
But she
As no answer, you say na Frank.
everybody can't believe.
Yeah, no good. Mommy Monica, another is me. I can't tell you. Like, you continue the program. You mention you a program. Like,
Continue with that year.
Frank, no, they do that kind of thing. If you even they insult, you know they mention your name.
God bless you.
Mommy Grace, don't say thing. Where Mommy Grace? Call you.
Amen.
What take it about?
We okay, ugbe mu ki ami e bo me. Ohun e no ta we no do we egbe me gwojo na no ke gbe alele ya gizige gbo ni ra guni. Ima ye gbo bo bai. Ohun enu ga izige gbo. Ima hia ye gbo awe o digestion aga renew awa sterilize awa gbe bad werere. Almost to be hoin. Ona kpani mega ye TikTok na wo wenge ke dede ko mame Nigeria or TikTok e Facebook e ave dede maro begeni e gwero shifiro e no gero na e mami TikTok na e gwero e shifiro e no gero e uweki ikwo mwe fun la jan si so bege ba wo sunu be TikTok wo gbe mo panu bi ami a new one ehiaga no wa ewe mi so no nu o ga filo kwa ma file kwa ye a gbe gbe ape a monjo imami mi you anytime ya leva iri ye speaker I ga pe again and again so stop it. Do you know why I'm telling you to stop it? You this husband and wife. The reason why I'm telling both of you to stop it, I mean, we're virgin of the social media for more than 8 years. Oh, we're virgin. Is that seeing? Egbena woman, na woman. Oga meniano paya so is forever. I can't take, I can't rest. I can't even tell you, say, go Nigeria, make the do all local for your Nigeria bo. On Nigeria bo. You and husband go fight for his house. Who we Monica get that from where? Pikin go talk to you we Monica get that from where? Or Gary. Oh, be abi ko ye gbo Monica no na where on Nigeria boy me na hen. Are you one ya kole kun we no make na la yo wonre. So that kind of thing where you cry put for 8 years long on social media. In short, now that thing I make you open Facebook. You say the rest people they run for me I cannot run for you. Meanwhile, it's not me. You went to a party, you go fight, you use body to hit person according to the narration. The person was sumo pikin. You think say as is sumo, was it ye aja azadi yagbe. Only gives a book button when Mori with him talk or ye by walk, is sagging back or in ye or see where sagging one and we is sagging vampire. Abwansire 911 in Germany. A stretcher, a Hugaje, a stretcher here, Muguari Hospital. Hey, me not the way video where my people. Well, not they do like the moon, not they fight for party now. It's not good. As this woman just dressed with all the shogo, guguru, wag, beg, anamu is sagana, see nya. Why? Now the people will fight, concourse say, no, mommy Monica. Now she go use body do person. Now she thought say she go beat that person if he see her. They come there inside party now. He can't go pass, use body, do the person like this. They want fight. The person will get party can say, if you not swear my party, he will build vawa. Now she can't stop. Now she can't tell that one say, me gaga do where is your wabe. I go look whether you not go as today. Now they currently radio that time, two of them, that they use boss, have only boss in the total year table. So as a party don't finish, they don't table don't finish. Sister Share Lady one go stand for bus stop or let bossy. The one where be any do come out there, he want go enter bus. They go as they come the bus stop now, they say Azadi, is still they do. Talk now, may I beat you for year. They say the woman not talk because that one is saying carry some more baby. This thing where they talk, so people when know this story know say now so it happen that time. I come and say me they condemn. Say how can somebody go to party who not go job beaten like this? As when me ya I will not wafian. As isagi na gbe kwa be nya ona je beta sie vampire na sie isagi sie mu eni ya no jo ananyage ya yo igbe. On a gasté ma godi dans l'osso de different one of my godi. Ici, ça pour go for body. What if my godi now he go the fight with me? And she use body. So, now the people can't call me for life. Now they can't explain. So when they can't still reach bus stop, he can't they talk to the girl. Talk now make a beat you for year. Talk make a beat you for year. So, you see, person say she even say she lost pregnancy in that in bear stretcher a button like this where they take picture sagging. I still get the picture. So now the woman say when they come the bus stop, she come they say talk now make a beat you. Talk now make a beat you for years. So that one no. You know talk. You understand? They say that one they push baby, they go. So as they come and now one bus, they carry all of them go central before they will go different places from that party bus. So as the bus come and now all of them they enter inside. The one where carry baby, they say it can enter from 2 doors where they open. She will not carry baby, she can go enter from the driver door. As she they come now, that one they use boogie, they look for where he want put boogie, may carry a picking. Now so they say she just still use body again. Rubber of take away where they say they share for the party, you just hit her for the woman head. The back be na what day. In what that one just follow on taco na what he go do no what he son a boss na what some assault. They say boss could do like this. Boo, 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 boo. Driver. Do you know ambulance carry driver? Because they carry this woman like this. Boo for boss. Driver just fly from bonnet, go fly, come out for her side. All the people where they call they wonder. Motor no jam anything. Boss no jam. So I call people they fly out of bog. Oh, Peking. Oh, mama where they boogie. Oh, na walo ye nya mama. Oh, mama my pretty. This thing so not be lie. Now so they take call ambulance. Ambulance come. They carry baby. They press on. Boop. They carry driver. They put on for ambulance. They carry sister. They come. Sister where start fight or rotor mimi. Somebody help me. It's become my BP is evolving issue. Become my BP is evolving issue. Why you no follow me from So, what are they listening now? Ambulance come, now they come carry on, then come they talk. Only because of my BP, that's why I know you not get check it, now they come carry and go. When she don't go, she don't recover. If she don't come back, she want explain. She say, if not because he can't follow my but why he no follow my phone? As he follow my but me no say he dey come. Now so my BP go high. When my BP go high, my Marie said he breathe. My Marie said he breathe.
what the Yameriana. If don't be say, he follow my back. If
People go they tell and say, you never recover. Where go rest first until you fit talk. Because even after you they talk so, you never recover. You never now that time so. Now that they talk the matter now. We call the laugh, we call the talk. When the people they talk, I say, "Apofone, Oladiane."
Monica, since I did this Facebook, I never do you anything. But no be say I feel like you, now your friend, I feel like me, no feel like you at all. Me, the hospital, you don't know where the apple. Now you carry the matter on the laugh. Monica, if me see you for now, me go beat you. Make you your follow from come. This one follow back home. That's why before they take me that picture, because I want make people see what they do to me. Now it make them
Because me call they say, if you know say that you look for trouble, we are in a double web with picture, eh? Come on me. Eke no kolare da hi, don't be that here, Monica. You want me? Then let me drink water. Okay. My people, eke no kwa la rena hi. When he say where, as the matter happen, now you post them for Facebook. See what they do to you for party. Let me carry the matter. Say who can do this? It's not good. Who why never been now they come call say no. The person where you follow fight now call.
as he can't call you for ask if he follow my front. He no follow my front, he follow my back. If Monica maybe as you if person follow your back or fight you, you go feel fight.
Let me call for. Let me say why you can't take your picture. Who will not take a picture where?
Yeah, he take the picture. I say make people they see what they do me because me mo do back.
I say he follow your back, he beat you like this. If he follow your front, he go finish you.
Monica no feel like you. I no feel like you.
I know area why you there. He never reach 1 year for inside this matter. Na me and Lolekia Kore. Hey, Esther what? Area star why you take his side because this one don't fit the ground. Say Monica talk, he matter every icona, but you know that time now. He call ba na get because now he take the picture. He sage ya voa o je vais ta gbe akon yo enya na ya sisagi. E godi ya ale sogo iya zage ya. Now so it start my people. From there, as he go talk my matter, maybe people still go they comment they cuss am. He go say na Bruce. He go say na Monica fake account. He go say na Bruce. Now so it see anybody that is against me, she must join them. But your mommy me no way because God knows say at the beginning I wanted to defend her. But as the people now called in, we now started laughing. Finish no what directly. Where why we not tell the person say make it follow in front, make it for Benaju they say they hit the person say even this thing so make I not mention other people name. He friend where the God that grow for us, they testify. When they come out, that husband and wife testify say now she use body take the look for fight. That now that man make that fight not happen for his side party. You they understand so? As they say, as he can see your mama, they push boogie, you want go. Now she follow him. Because in her heart, in her mind, she was thinking she will beat that girl. Even when she did that hospital when they carry her, that they go admission, where everybody they say, who beat her like this? So when people come, they say, ah, this one is too much. She was still writing and saying, the person we do on this one, waiting you do the person too much. Now he make the person say, you too they like. See, now me they talk, so I they ask. They press my pikin, he talk, everything they okay. I can't go out. I not go hospital. You will say you beat me. Why you can't go hospital? They don't see blood for my body. I don't go hospital. Whether that one say he bite and something like that time. You understand? He bite that one. Now I make that one do it. I make it for commot mouth for your teeth for your hand. My people, we don't know what happened. Now all this one happened that time. From that time, this girl awarded all the fake account to me and to my lovers. Because if people super chat me on YouTube, yeah, she bites the girl. Me not see her now. You see her. She bites the girl. She put the girl hand for man. She non comment. Only na gele do it. No make it not see your boy. It's a obinya hero. Okay. So when people now they super chat me or people they support me or any matter where I can carry, this woman go to say I be bully.
Monica is a bully.
If I dey A, she go dey B. If I dey B, she go dey A.